Hello, welcome to Flash Studio TV. In our first lesson here, we will create a simple motion tween. We're going to start off with the oval tool. We'll choose a color and we'll draw the oval on the stage. We'll then convert this to a symbol. We'll call it ball. And now what we want to do is add some animation to this ball. So with tweens, from this side of the stage to this side of the stage. We'll start off by picking the number of frames we want to tween. We'll pick 60. We'll right click and we'll hit insert frame. We'll move the playhead back to 1. Right click the symbol and choose create motion tween. We'll simply slide the playhead to 60. Select the movie clip on stage and move it all the way over to the other side of the stage. Now when we test the movie, we have a tween that goes from the left to the right side of the stage. In the first part, we had our motion tween that went from the x-coordinate of 4 to the x-coordinate of 434. What we're going to do now is remove our motion tween by right-clicking on the layer and hitting Remove Tween. And we're going to produce the same animation with ActionScript. I've created an Actions layer. We'll click on the layer and go to the Actions panel. Here you'll see the variable myTween, which I'm going to use to tween the ball. You see here our instance name, ball, which is our movie clip. It is very important that you name your movie clip instance in this section of the properties panel so you can use it here and reference it in ActionScript. We're going to have the X value tweened. We're going to give it some elastic, easing out. And here are our values, 4 to 44, 434. We're going to use 20 seconds, and we know it's seconds instead of frames because this is labeled as true. If it was false, this number would represent frames instead of seconds. We're going to test our movie. And we see that we have the same tween. Reversing motion is quite simple. We'll go back to our original motion tween. And if we would like the tween to run from the right side of the stage to the left, we can simply select the tween layer, right click it, and hit reverse keyframes. Now when we scrub the playhead, our animation is in reverse. We can also do that same value in ActionScript. However, we can keep both the forward and the reverse motion by choosing the yo-yo property of the tweens. Here I have two buttons, my start and reverse. This time I'm tweening the Y value of my ball. I'm going to test the movie. And when I hit the start button, the ball will travel from the top to the bottom. When I hit the reverse, it's going to do the opposite. If you look at the actions panel, here's my original tween. I did not need to add more values. I simply use the yo-yo property. The yo-yo property takes your original tween and simply reverses all the coordinates. I'll test the movie again. I'll put that right on top of the code. We'll do our first value first, which is the ball tweening down with some elastic easing out. And now we're going to hit our reverse tween button to activate that same variable, but in the yo-yo method.